Good morning. First, I would like to welcome each and everyone. I am Nasamaya Sutige, your facilitator in beauty care in situ. Second, I would like to thank and congratulate all of you for choosing Don Manuel Iabeliana Memorial National High School, the place and venue for accumulating the knowledge and skills you desire for. So, before we go on, let me first check the attendance. So, as I call your name, please acknowledge. Bia Bianca Maglangit, Ajam San Amit. So, this time, I am going to administer the pre-assessment tools for you to fill up. So, these pre-assessment tools will be used in the preparation and scheduling of the activities of each trainee. So, I have here the three types of pre-assessment tools. So, first, we have the learner's characteristics. It helps me to identify your learning styles. Second, self-assessment check. For me to recognize your skills that you previously learned and experienced. And the last one is the pretest, to determine and measure current knowledge about the topics covered in the qualification. So if you have a questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. So you can now answer. Okay, done. I hope you really answer honestly the pre-assessment tools because all the information or any information for that matter will be very useful as we will go on with our training sessions. Now, let's proceed to the orientation proper. So, this is the competency-based training. A competency-based training refers to a learning model where students must demonstrate the required level of knowledge and skills on the task prior to advancing to the next task. So, this computer-based training is a recognition of your prior knowledge. So, here are the steps of CBT. So, first, you as the student will enter the program which you are doing right now. So, you entered our program. Next step is the students. Select competency and receive instruction. After that, you review learning package. So, next is view multimedia materials. Use manuals, observe demonstration, practice skills and workshops, and then receive assistance and advice. So, after all of that, the instructor will observe your performance and you as a student will attempt the task. So, and the instructions rate your performance as you as a student, as will rate your own performance. So, next is satisfactory. Perform competency if you perform well. If yes, you are competent enough. So, you have been achieved the competency, and if no, you will go back to the first step, and then if you are done and you have enough competency, you will exit the program. So this time, we will go around for you to familiarize yourself with the different areas in the training center. So it is very important that you are very familiar and acquainted with the different areas so that as you go along with your training, you will know where to go. So okay students, so this is our lecture room and this is the practical area. This is our beauty care training area. Now, let's go back to our lecture area. And so that's all for today. I hope you all oriented. Be ready for tomorrow for the training proper by 8 a.m. in the morning. Good morning, trainees. Welcome to the training proper. Okay, Miss Bianca Maglangit. Based on your self-assessment check, you have been working in Benjoy Salon and Spa for the past 2 years. You have knowledge and skills on perform body massage. And based on the certification of your company, you have consistent, excellent performance. For that, we will recognize your prior learning so you will be exempted on workstation number 1, which is perform body massage. And your first assessment is on workstation number 2, which is perform pre and post beauty care services. Okay, Miss Maglangit, please follow me to the practical work area. Okay, Miss Maglangit, this is your workstation number 2, which is perform pre and post beauty care services. Will you please get your CBL on the learning resource area? Okay, Miss Maglangit, this is your CBL on UC number 2. Perform pre and post beauty care services. Will you please read the information sheet, and after reading the information sheet, answer the self-check, and you can check your answer based on the answer key. If any question and clarification, just call my attention. Okay, Miss Maglangit, based on your pre-assessment tools, you will be assigned on workstation number 5, which is identifying nail care tools. Please follow me to the computer area. Mr. Amit, please view this PowerPoint presentation on UC number 5, identifying nail care tools, and after viewing, answer the self-check, and you can check your answer based on the answer key. If any question and clarification, just call my attention. Okay, Miss Maglangit, how are you doing?
I am doing good, ma'am. I am done reading the information sheet and finished answering the self-check, and I also compare my answer based on the answer key.
Very good, Miss Maglangit. Now, are you ready to perform your task? Your task is to perform pre and post beauty care services. I will be conduct the demo. I want you to observe. This is how to do. Okay, Miss Maglangit, it's time for you to practice. While practicing your task, please observe safety precautions, and you can rate your own performance using this performance criteria checklist. If any question and clarification, you can call my attention. Mr. Amit, how are you doing?
I am not yet done viewing the PowerPoint presentation, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Amit, just continue viewing the PowerPoint presentation, and please be reminded that after viewing the presentation, you are required to answer the self-check, and you can check your answer based on the answer key. Any question and clarification, just call my attention. Miss Maglangit, how is your practice?
I am doing great, ma'am.
Good. Are you ready to take the institutional assessment?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Okay, Miss Maglangit, let us proceed to the institutional assessment area. Miss Maglangit, this is our institutional assessment area, which you will undergo the written exam and the demonstration with oral questioning. This method is to measure your underpinning knowledge and skills on UC number 2, which is perform pre and post beauty care services. I believe you are ready, Miss Maglangit. First, we will have the written exam. Okay, the exam have 5 items, and I will give you 1 hour to answer the written exam. So, any question? In that regard, you may begin. Okay, time is up. May I collect the paper? Now, let's proceed to the demonstration and followed by oral questioning. Given the materials and equipment, you are asked to perform pre and post beauty care services. within 1 hour. While conducting the demo, please observe safety precaution and please be reminded after the demonstration, followed by oral questioning, and I will be rating your performance based on the performance criteria checklist. So, any question and clarification?
No further questions, ma'am.
Okay. Miss Maglangit, based on your written exam, you have an excellent performance. You get a perfect score. On your demonstration, you are confident in performing your task but you forgot to observe safety precaution. Next time, Miss Maglangit, if you are performing your demonstration, observe safety precaution. So, on your oral questioning, you are not confident in answering the question, but your answer are all correct. So, for that reason, I will be checking your progress chart for satisfactory completed this unit of competency, which is perform pre and post beauty care services. And I will be awarding you the certificate of achievement for satisfactorily completed the unit of competency. And Miss Maglangit, your next workstation is workstation number 3, which is perform body scrub. Good morning, trainees. Okay, trainees. I have here with me some forms for you to fill up and accomplish. One set is for your post-test, and other set is the training evaluation. First, I will administer to you the post-test. I will give 10 minutes to answer the post-test. Done? May I collect the post-test? Now, I will administer to you the training evaluation. The primary purpose of this training evaluation is to identify areas for improvement. So for that reason, please fill up what is outlined in the training evaluation honestly. So by that, I will give a paper of evaluation. Done? May I collect the training evaluation? Okay, trainees, I would like to congratulate everybody for having been completed all the unit of competencies required in this qualification, and you are qualified to undergo the national assessment. We will be announcing when and where will be your national assessment. Please keep posted. Again, congratulations and good luck.